Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for here we'll bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. According to our monitoring spirit, they call the Daily Mail, so they don't come outside, they let us know, say Arsenal don't they ready to increase their offer for Lisandro Martinez so that they will fit bypass Manchester United bid. Because it stand like this now, we are Manchester United don't offer the same thing, and the player they more likely to join Manchester United for two reasons. Number one, we say if he go there, they likely to do for the first 11. But if he come Arsenal, they likely to be a deputy to carry and Tierney. So that one is one important factor. Then the second factor, they say the coach of Manchester United now be informal coach. Even say one report called the comment and say when Eric Ten Hag come up for Ajax, Lisandro Martinez come dey praise am, say the guy is the best coach in the world, the guy that make him who him be, the guy that groom him. Now he don't play for Argentina football team. You know, they talk many good things about the coach. You know, say in the future, talk will still bring two of them come back. So now we say in the future, now the man don't say, okay, even now you praise me for all the things I don't do for your life. Oh yeah, come join me more, continue the journey. You know, so that one is another factor. But at the same time, some people they talk say the guy can still come join us, but I don't really know. But for me, if say I did close to Arteta and I say I be one of the inner Kakos, I will just whisper for my ear, say make them leave this guy, make them go look for another person, because the loyalty go always be there. It gets worst come to worst, you go always go meet Eric Ten Hag, especially when the first 11 this thing they sure for him. But the only thing we make a call to look Arsenal side, we say Arsenal is now rebuilding from scratch. We are close to the finished goods. You get Manchester United, they see they finish and they will suffer well because Cristiano Ronaldo don't indicate interest, say he won't come out. They get one kind of internal battle. If we call the year, say since January, now Ronaldo don't tell them talk, say he won't come out. They call the beggar, say make it no cause any brouhaha or make it no cause any scandal. Maybe just calm down, maybe league finish. You get they don't finish, you don't have them fire them go to Europa League. If nobody say Cristiano did there, they don't even smell that Europa League. Maybe in a conference league, they're going to play with some kind of farmers and fishermen. So now we never know how it will be there. Maybe they look all those and say, oh man, you know they're stable, but Arsenal is stable. They are getting good players in the right position. So anyway, all these things they go, I will let you know about. When I know to put mind, say this guy could join us. I know, for me, I know to put mind. On a more positive note, so Arsenal don't announce the signing of Gabriel Jesus. Again, don't see many people don't they complain since they never announce. What's happening? But now they don't announce him, so they don't show the guy to the world. Even with Dugaspa talks on high Swiss waiting, say they don't pursue this guy for a very long time. And all of us know say it was not easy for Arteta, Dugaspa, Richard Garlic, the whole Arsenal hierarchy to get this guy. Because many clubs were after him. Even on the deadline they said many people they come for him. Like 3 more clubs try to hijack him. Like the guy just talk saying that Arsenal he won't come. If nobody say that Arsenal will say he won't come, they will not steal him because the guy is one of the best players who don't sign since I know Arsenal transfer. They will sign this kind of caliber of player. I'm very happy to sign at least a serial winner. Not even mean to sign somebody who don't win the Premier League like 4 times, win cups. Not what you mean. So that's why I just happy. The hope say the guy will replicate. Inshallah, nobody say the hope. In God, they desperate to start with that reinforcement. But what they say since the bush. At the same time, Arsenal don't offer £47 million for Milinkovic-Savic from Lazio. So now our monitoring spirit they call Il Messaggero, one Italian news media that then come bring this news to the forefront before other people come they post and come they give them attribution. Say according to even Football London, even Daily Mirror, everybody is according to him. You get say this thing because many media don't post this thing. Say Arsenal don't offer £47 million, though Lazio saying that £60 million then wants for the guy. And what this will be say the guy as central attacking midfielder, he can also play as a holding midfielder, as a box-to-box midfielder. The guy scored 11 goals and made 11 assists this season with just pass. And reports say he was the highest goal scorer in Lazio for that last season. The guy is very good. You don't get this kind of midfielder where they score plenty goals like this. How many goals? Have you thought to yourself like how many goals does Partey score in a season? How many goals does Granit Xhaka score in a season? These are where things are won. We need midfielders where they add their own quota. You get during the days of Chelsea, Frank Lampard, then Manchester United, Paul Scholes, all those kind of people. We need that kind of midfielders we're going to chip in at least 10 goals per season. Those 10 goals, you don't know how important they did each season. They're very, very key again. So that's why we need this guy. And the guy said they're keen to move. So I never know how everything will be because I don't watch the guy play. God, the guy get mad ball control. Jeez. I'm going to go watch the guy. See some kind of Santo, but one touch. God. Watching the guy alone gonna give you joy. You need to go watch him. This will not be about say YouTube. They only show the best of the best places where the guy play with ball. You need to watch all this guy ball control. The way the guy control ball, run on the ball like say let na magnet. You need to go watch this guy. Man. The guy did good. If Arsenal fit sign this guy, I beg no compare this guy to Yuri Tillemans. So if they fit sign this guy ahead of Yuri Tillemans, I'll be very happy. The guy good die. Hey, the guy good. Gabriel Jesus don't come outside for one recent interview where they do for Arsenal. So they're going to ask and say, I ain't take come Arsenal like we don't follow Arsenal before. So back up say yes. So when they young, say you don't follow Arsenal for a very long time. So those days they watch all those kind of Thierry Henry, saying they watch them. And another thing they say those times when they follow Man City, they come Emirates come play, saying they look the stadium because the stadium they very, very big and exciting. They get saying like the stadium. So now if you say they can't get the opportunity to come here, so you don't really think and twice because you don't already like this place. Arsenal get superstar stadium. The fans they very, very vocal and they support their team well. You know the fans can ginger you. Like say a lot of good things about Arsenal. That's one of the things we can. I know they follow Arsenal for a very long time. At the same time, Bernardo Silva said don't come outside when they talk about Gabriel Jesus as the guy they find his way go Arsenal. We don't enter Arsenal. So Baba can talk say Gabriel Jesus, what a player. Say what a guy. Say the guy na true warrior in good and in bad moments. He enjoy the moments when they share for Man City. Even the Bernardo Silva said Barcelona said won't buy him. So he get us to go be now. The guy said will come out for Man City. They head to Barcelona. Well, he just relish the moments when in with Gabriel Jesus share for the dressing room and for Etihad. You know, it was fun. They won a lot of things together. So that's what it just be. You don't wish him best of luck for Arsenal. Our Charlie Watts will be one of our Arsenal correspondents. So Baba don't come outside when they talk about this Lisandro Martinez. So Baba can talk say the guy they very, very open to joining Arsenal. So everybody knows saying they open to joining Arsenal, but other point itself they talk say is also open to joining Manchester United. Though at this moment now we do like this now, I accept no the budge for the money where they talk say they won't sell now 50 million euros. They know the budge at all. So anybody who won't sign up, pay the money, then they go release a minister to the top owner. Because as it like this now, the guy even they beg Ajax say I beg now, make I leave. Because Ajax just say he won't leave, and the place where he won't go na EPL. Though he never come outside vocally say okay now this particular club I won't go. Everybody just know say he won't go EPL, and he gets 2 clubs for EPL where they fight for him. So that is the situation of things at this moment. So we never know how it will be. We just watch at the drama of football. No to put mind. So you know we dey disappointed because me as I did like this now, I no too put mind. For my mind, the just be like say the guy don't go Man U because that loyalty between him with Ten Hag, he go come to play. Juventus coach that they call Massimiliano Allegri don't come outside the talk say he wants Gabriel Magalhaes so that Gabriel Magalhaes will replace Matthias De Ligt where they join Chelsea. De Ligt na centre back where they bring where they pair Chiellini and sometimes they pair Bonucci. So now we say Chelsea they do rebuild under the new owner Todd Boehly. So now Chelsea won't buy Matthias De Ligt. So give me the reason say if the deal goes successfully, they are coming on hard for Gabriel Magalhaes say they will come sign up. So I don't know whether Arsenal will listen to offers. If they give us like 150 million pounds, we will sell them. 200 million pounds, we will sell them. But anything below that, let's not even think about it. It's not for sale. That's my own stand. You get? Because every player has a price. That's the truth about the matter. Every player has a price. So if they bring something above the top, let's collect. If not, backbay it because we can't afford to sell him. So away from that, so Brazilian legend that they call Kaka don't call Gabriel Jesus for phone. But one tweet all this, if I watch the video, at least I know people post the video because of copyright infringement. So you call the guy, tell the guy, say, just 4 years ago, then they show me your picture where they paint all over Brazil. So you just they paint everywhere, you get. But see you now, yeah? You don't become superstar now. You don't they paint your picture everywhere. You will be saying that you be paint how they paint floor. Now you they paint everywhere. You know, just they praise the guy. This is all the cry. Like he was so emotional. Like me gone, I felt goosebumps. Like God fit do am this life. God fit do am for anybody. If you be saying na Gary they say one day now before you know that don't blow enter another line of thing. Who expect that 4 years ago? Say the guy they do another thing. Because I also saw the picture. It was 2017. But I see the small boy now, the guy they paint, they paint with some niggas then they paint the floor. That I don't know, you never enter academy, you never even jump Palmeiras, you never even do anything. High content transform, look at Jesus now, superstar, this new man. That's so God they do things, yeah. At the same time, for the interview Jesus conduct, so they ask and say, what team they can choose Arsenal ahead of other people? Like Tottenham Hotspur, they go Champions League and every other person, Man U, get what team be that team making choose Arsenal? So Baba can talk say, nah Arteta. Say Arteta gone. Now be the factor, the biggest factor we make him join Arsenal because he don't check everything. Say in with Arteta, they get good relationship. When in there for Man City, so Arteta and person will say he's a bit listening. So the guy they talk to them about things, and in with Arteta talk about Arsenal, they talk about the club, they talk about Arsenal players, they talk about Arsenal projects. So you don't reason everything because you say this project make a lot of sense and this project is going forward. He believe in the project 100% and he still believe in Arteta 100%. So you don't reason all the variables because say okay, Arteta or nothing. Now be the same loyalty what they tell now about Eric Ten Hag and Lisandro. You get that relationship between the former manager and the former player. It go dey key to the guy moving. Look at the relationship between Arteta and Jesus because two of them don't do for Etihad when Arteta was under Pep Guardiola as the number 2 man. Because Arteta said they liars with all these guys then when he did there. They do training together because Jesus the talk say after the major training don't finish, Arteta they stay back. Two of them would they practice on a finishing, you know, because he was like a father to him, you know, all those kinds of things. That's why he choose Arteta or nothing. He prefer Europa League, no worry, when I carry the Champions League, we said we will still come there, you know, to come and improve what Arteta is doing. So well, our own good luck with that. At the same time, they ask Gabriel Jesus say which position he would like to play because many pundits don't come outside the talk plenty things say Gabriel Jesus is confused, say in they play wing, he go play 9, he doesn't have a static position, he doesn't know what he wants. So they can't ask him. Baba talk say now see na number 9 I want. Say na striker, say I'm a striker, say he want number 9. So but the truth be say he can play 4 different positions. He can play behind the striker, he can play on the flank, but in favorite position when like na centrally, say number 9, and you don't get to number 9 jersey, say number 9 be center forward, so na there he won't play. And myself, I believe the guy died. All those guys have chances who they create any who they lose. I believe that this guy could bust down because Arsenal is a creative side. That one Ashola. Nobody will talk say Arsenal no dey create chance. Now because you don't get forwarders where they convert chances. That is why I can't believe I say Odegaard no dey create chances. Odegaard dey create chance. But we don't get anybody who go bust down. If you check the history between Mesut Ozil and Cristiano Ronaldo, Mesut Ozil gave Ronaldo a lot of assists where Ronaldo bust. That was why Mesut Ozil was rated as one of the highest playmakers in the world, one of the best, because he gets a forward when they bust down. So if they say we get somebody to score, people go dey hail Odegaard, they go dey see him impact. When he create chance like I said, he go lose am, go create 10 chances, person go score 1. How are they going to notice you? So this season when they come, see Fabio Vieira, I see Odegaard, they go chop a lot of assists. Even our monitoring spirit wey they call sports, will be one Spanish media. Don't come outside, come they let us know say Asensio, Marco Asensio of Real Madrid, say in the desperate to leave Real Madrid. He has 1 year left on his contract. You know, want sign a contract extension because in the field say in the will get more game time for that Real Madrid in the. So the guy really wants to leave. Now he's desperately waiting for offers from the likes of Manchester United and Arsenal because now them don't indicate interest for him in the past. So now he's waiting for offers because he wants to leave. I don't know how I see Asensio joining Arsenal. For me, he's a good player. He can join us. The guy that impacts player. If he enter, he can make things happen. He can score goals. He can make assists. He can do things again. So it will make sense for squad depth. We really need him. Even Arteta self, they come dey ask am for media settings say how he take see Jesus again. So wetin he get to talk to? But I can't say this Jesus deal, no be today. You don't tell me they pursue the guy because the guy na full package. You get the guy that person be say when it comes to goals, threats, he did there. When it comes to how to improve, the guy is willing to improve. He's willing to learn. His smile, his character, his personality, his willingness to do what has been told. Like the guy can adapt to the formation what the coach want to do. Like it ticks all the boxes that you want as a manager in modern day football. So when you don't look, the guy say they're very proud and happy to collect this kind of gem in Gabriel Jesus. Like they're very happy. The guy don't start training because we saw him in training. We saw Gabriel Jesus, Gabriel Martinelli, Gabriel Magalhaes, our 3 Ginje Gabriel waiting for Arsenal with Marquinhos. All of them, the 4 of them snap picture. We'll call them our Brazilian connection. We saw them. We are happy that everybody don't resume training. At the year, they will still plan now. They go after they play Nuremberg. I think they will come go USA, go do some preseason, play against Chelsea, Everton, and some people. Then come back, come play Sevilla for Emirates Cup before the league will start. Hey, Omo, I can't wait. Juventus dey desperate to offload Otomelu. They call it beg, say I beg, make Arsenal come back again and come offer their proposal for the same guy. Because for January, don't forget say Arsenal almost signed the guy. And the coach, Massimiliano Allegri, now he talk say no, he no want sell the guy. But now you see you don't sign many midfielders. The guy don't be surplus to requirements, and the guy they earn £4.6 million per year, which is too much. So they try how they go take for sure, maybe go another club. So Arsenal went for him before. They were desperate to sign him before. It no work. So now I don't know that Arsenal will go back for him. Well, I would say don't get Fabio Vieira. I would look for Milinkovic-Savic. So I don't know whether we'll still go for this Otomelu. Don't forget that Otomelu is a baller. The guy is still a technical player. He's very good. If we sign up, it's not a bad deal. It's not a bad idea. If we know if we sign, at least take him on loan. You get. It's still good for squad depth. We need squad depth. We don't want to make what happened last season go happen again. We'll go they put Charlie Patino. They put all those kind of small boys for midfield. When we need men, people go to use men. They bully our small boys. That is what we need moving forward. So anyhow, this one they go. I will let you know. I'm Kevin Campbell will be one of our super monitoring spirit. Don't come and say call it para. Say say the yes say Juventus one side Gabriel Jesus. Say make Arsenal no try am. Make them no try am. Say you no see this deal moving forward. You no see it happening. You get. Say it is impossible. Say Arsenal no fit sell am. They no fit even try am. Say because they no fit even afford to negotiate for the guy. They whine me. Say Arsenal get a very good defensive record. How many corners they score? I think it was just 1 or 2 corners. Now our opposition not enter our net. Who will be the person who say they do that? It's about towering giants, Gabriel Jesus. It's one of the people making things happen in the heart of our defense. So now we can't afford to say one seller. You get? I don't know what to think about this Gabriel Jesus deal because some people go talk say, Saliba is coming now. We have a lot of center backs now. We can afford to sell him, recoup some money. For me, no, capital NO. We can't afford to sell this guy because it's integral to what we are building. So if you know what yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. You will see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So it's CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your new week and get out.